Welcome on online wireless mobile communication. In this module, I have another lecture, that is the introduction to mobile scale fading. It is the small scale fading. Uh, Today our topic is the introductory. So the topic where I have to start, it is about the definition. Definition is about what is the performance of a wireless communication system poor. Why is the performance of a wireless communication system poor? So it is the main key why is the performance of a wireless communication system poor. There are so many answers, but it is explained with the help of fading analysis. The simple answer, it is the explained with the help of fading analysis. Before we are going in detail, see the main definition of the small scale fading, which give a you clear picture. Definition is small scale fading or simple fading. The small scale fading, also known as a fading, and it is used to describe the rapid fluctuation of the amplitude. It is used to describe the rapid fluctuation in the signal in the form of amplitude as well as the phase, and over a short period of time and travel distance. So it is the basic definition. It can be say like that, fading shows the fluctuation on receiver, and the random variation in received signal is called fading. If we talk about the simple overview of this, the fading means fading show fluctuation on receiver and random variation in received signal is called fading. And the definition is about fading is small fading is small scale fading, or you can say it is also called simple fading. It is also called fading. Is used to describe the rapid fluctuation of the amplitude and phase over a short period of time or travel distance. So it is the caused by the variation in height and density of ionization. You can say it is caused by variation in height and density of ionization. So actually what happened, the fading is occur. That means the fading also produced by interference of two waves, variation in few dV. If you want to see the clear picture, we know that this is the earth surface. There is a layers above the earth surface, and the upper layer is ionosphere layer. It is divided into two layer, F and E, and it is the this layer is about the by cause of troposphere, and this troposphere, this one is the troposphere. You can see if the transmitter end and the receiver end are like that, shown here, and the waves are transmitted through this transmitter, and it goes to first ionosphere and reflect back to the reception transmitter. This is the transmitter, this is the receiver antenna, and it reflect back. The waves is sent at this ionosphere and is reflect back at the receiver end. And one more thing is, the wave is started here at the troposphere and reflect back again this receiver end. One more thing is, the wave is having in troposphere reflected back to the earth surface, again it reflected back troposphere and again reach at the receiver end. You can describe, this is the first signal, and you say this is the third signal, and this is the multiple reflected, this is the second, and this is one of the reflected waves. When the waves are propagated in a multiple reflection, that is called hope, and hopping is done in the multiple direction. There a reflection is taking place, and the law of physics is saying this reflected wave is nothing but the vector sum to add this first, second and third. That is known as multi-propagation. This is called the multi-propagation. So it is the introductory part of this small scale fading. Thank you very much.